Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's 1 in the afternoon and today I'm going to show you something about housekeeping stuffs. Well, बाइकिंग के रिलेटेड कुछ बताने है नहीं बिकॉज राइडिंग तो अलाउड है नहीं, राइडिंग कर भी नहीं सकते जस्ट फॉर सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस. सो यू नो आई ऑलरेडी अनबॉक्स्ड इट लाइक 3-4 days बैक एंड देन यूज़ तो किया नहीं है but I'll use it as soon as possible. But before that I thought of showing it to you guys. Well, ये लॉकडाउन के इसमें it is very important to have this thing in your home. So let's see. So this is the mop cleaner which I bought from Flipkart. I got it for 1,999, that is almost 2,000 rupees. 1 रुपया कम है. I don't know 1 रुपया क्यों कम करते हैं उन लोग. So it comes with two refill heads, this one and this one, and this is a dispenser where you can put liquid to clean your floor here either. This is a lock for it. You can open it using this and then you can press it. This comes with two different attachments, so I'll show you how to put it. और क्या है इसमें? So this is a handle and this is a trolley system which is given, which is even extendable. Easy to use है. I am alone in my house, so help करने के लिए कोई है नहीं. इतना एक्सटेंड होता है. So it's good. I'll show you. Oh. टायर भी है इसमें. It comes with a drain system also. This is a drainage knob where if you open you can drain all the waste water. This is a spinner, 360-degree spinner. और क्या है? और कुछ है नहीं. Quality of the plastic is okay type. So now first let's attach this. Tight हो गया. Now let's attach this. You just have to press this. आवाज आ गया. हो गया लॉक. And this is a lock to open this. Just according to your height. And the second reason is if you lock this it won't spin. Okay, इसके लिए and when you put inside this or this you can spin. ये गोल गोल घूमता है. ठीक है. सेकेंड थिंग, इफ यू लॉक गोल गोल नहीं घूमेगा, मतलब घूमेगा बट एकदम ये होगा. So now let's put inside this and I'll show you. ये जो होल दिख रहा है ना, that should go directly inside this part. Okay. अभी गया. पुट इट हियर, सेम गोस, इसको इधर डालो, स्पिन करो, and then start cleaning, which makes you easier cleaning it on a vertical position rather than rather than bending down, and cleaning it will affect your back as well. So घर पे बैठे बैठे तुम लोग कर भी सकते हो, वैसे भी बेट्स आर नॉट अलाउड हियर. Hey guys, one more thing I would like to tell you is use a branded hand sanitizer, because yesterday I saw a photo viral on WhatsApp, like his hands were full, like so disgusting, looking so disgusting, just because he used a non-branded hand sanitizer. Well, I use Bath and Body Works hand sanitizer. I bought it from Dubai. I got it almost 5 to 6 hand sanitizers, because I always go for branded things, because it protects you from everything. This is the hand sanitizer I use. Hey guys, let's end this video here. If you like the video, do hit the like button and share the video, and do subscribe, and stay safe, stay home, and stay happy. Bye.